When manufacturers evaluate a Siemens Opcenter MES implementation partner, the first question is often, can they configure the software? But MES is not just an IT project. It touches how production, quality, planning, materials, equipment, and people work together every day. A strong implementation partner needs to understand how your operation actually runs, not just the ideal process on a slide. That includes real workflows, exceptions, material movement, equipment constraints, quality checks, deviations, and operator decisions. The partner also needs to understand where the business is going, multi-site rollout, APS feedback loops, analytics, and future AI readiness. Because Siemens Opcenter rarely stands alone. It needs to connect with ERP, PLM, QMS, LIMS, SCADA, historians, and shop floor automation. For regulated manufacturers, the stakes are even higher. Audit trails, electronic signatures, genealogy, validation evidence, and data integrity must be designed in from the start. A weak MES implementation can create reporting gaps, validation burden, disconnected data, low adoption, and shop floor frustration. A strong implementation connects execution, quality, planning, and data into a foundation the business can trust and improve over time. MES success is not just going live. It is helping the business run better, with a practical roadmap from today's operation to tomorrow's connected manufacturing strategy. Start with a practical 90-day Opcenter implementation roadmap. Connected manufacturing can help you get there.